Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you from Palm Bay with this amazing virtual tour. First of all, I want to give a shout out to the listing agent, Vera Kuhn. She was nice enough to allow us to do this video. We are at 1495 Malibu Circle Northeast, Unit 106, and we're listed at 189.9. Look at this cute little sit-in area as we walk up here. Kind of private. You got a little gate you can close. You can kind of hang out. Let's just cruise inside and check this place out. Walk into a super cute living room area. Nice little fireplace accent. Isn't that cute? Look, you can hang stockings and pretend you're up north. Into the kitchen area, nice little built-in table, and of course you've got your dishwasher, cabinet space. See if we can open this cupboard up real quick so you can see all of your nice shelving for your pantry. I love the look they've got with the brick back here. Isn't that super cute? Again, nice open area into your living room. You do have sliders to go outside as well. And primary bedroom. Nice size bedroom. Closets. You got two closets. Single sink. Nice little area for those of us who like to have some space for our makeup. And your water closet, tub and shower combo. Again, a little more closet view there, and nice view of that bedroom. And as we go out past that cute little fireplace, do have a full second bath here, and that one's got a shower, which is a step-in shower, which is nice to have the variety. You do have inside washer and dryer in the unit, and a nice size second bedroom there for you for guests or family. Love that front door. Isn't that pretty? And we're going to cruise over this way. I'll give you a little more view of this kitchen. Sorry you're seeing me because they've got that pretty shiny curio cabinet that I love. And just wanted to go over the details again. We're at 1495 Malibu Circle in Palm Bay. We're at Unit 106, listed at 189.9. And if you would like to see this unit in person, you can reach out to the list agent, Vera Kuhn, or you can reach out to myself, Margaret Klein. Either of us would absolutely love to show you this unit in person. Again, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, townhouse, nice courtyard, indoor laundry. HOA here is only $255 a month, which is amazing. You do have a community pool. So, signing off here in Palm Bay. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch. Bye-bye.